Collision. Collision means when two objects are collide to each other, okay, with or without contact. Clear? Which means collision. Okay. So it is a common phenomenon that happens around us every day, every time also. Okay. For example, we are playing the carom boards means, and the coins are collide to each other to pack that in a pack. Okay. Then billiards, marbles, etc. So all are the basics of what? Collisions. Okay. So collision can happen between the two bodies with or without physical contacts. That's the meaning of collision. Okay. So what is the physical being means? Here in a collision, the linear momentum is conserved or constant. Okay. Linear momentum is conserved. Conserved means constant, does not vary. Okay. So the formula for that linear momentum P is equal to mass into velocity. Okay. So whenever the object moving with the velocity with the mass m, okay, so it is constant means, so what is the collision before, that is same as after collision. Clear? So based upon this thing, you can classify the collision in two types. Okay. So one is called a elastic collision. Okay. Elastic means what? We get the same thing again. Clear? It means total kinetic energy. Total kinetic energy before collision. Total kinetic energy before collision is equal to total kinetic energy after collision. Here, because the body is moving means it has some kinetic energy only. Okay, so we have to add in that total kinetic energy before the collision, that is equal to total kinetic energy after collision. That's the meaning of elastic collision. The second type is called inelastic collision. Inelastic collision. Okay, which means is not equal. Okay, so write total kinetic energy before collision is not equal to total kinetic energy after collision. Okay, so what will happen means here energy is converted from one type to other type. Okay, so we think the difference of these two, which means total kinetic energy before collision, I read in the short form, total kinetic energy before collision minus of total kinetic energy after collision, that is equal to loss in energy. So loss in energy. Clear? Its symbol is the del Q, delta Q. Delta means change in between, Q means symbol of energy. Okay, so in inelastic collision, the difference in that total kinetic energy before collision to the total kinetic energy after collision, that is equal to loss in energy. Its symbol is del Q. Okay, so here we will see that the derivation of the things. First we see that what inelastic collision in one dimension, next elastic collision in a one dimension. Okay, so both are important for my question. Watch it carefully. Okay, next we will see that what is the comparison or difference between elastic and inelastic collisions. Okay, this is a 2 mark question. First we will see about elastic collision. Total momentum is conserved, which means constant. Okay, for inelastic collision, total momentum is conserved. Here also conserved means constant. So P is equal to constant, that is the mass into velocity. Okay, the second thing, but total kinetic energy is conserved in a elastic collision, but in a inelastic collision total kinetic energy is not conserved. because here energy is converted as a del Q, that is the loss in energy during collision. Okay. Third point, forces involved are conservative forces. Here you see the topic. Okay, is a example for the conservative forces. What gravitational forces there. Okay, so it means there is a constant at everywhere. Okay, here forces involved are non-conservative forces, which is depends upon the path of the object. That's the meaning of non-conservative forces. The last point, mechanical energy is not dissipated. Okay, it's not, because this is a conserved means it's not dissipated. Okay, but here mechanical energy is dissipated into heat, light, sound energy. Because kinetic energy is not conserved means, so the loss of kinetic energy is dissipated in the form of heat, light and sound, etc. Clear? So this is the difference between what? Energy collision and inertial collision. Okay.